Good day everyone and welcome to the best online tutorials channel. Building a Shopify store normally means choosing a theme, designing pages, writing copy, and setting everything up manually. But with Dropmagic AI, you can generate a full Shopify website using AI prompts. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Dropmagic AI to build a Shopify website, including how to write the prompt correctly, because that's what controls the entire store structure. And before we begin, let me give you a little rundown and explanation about this platform, what it is, and why should you use it. So Dropmagic AI is a AI-powered Shopify store builder designed mainly for dropshipping and e-commerce beginners. It uses prompts to generate store layouts, create product pages, write product descriptions, and set up collections. So instead of starting from a blank Shopify theme, AI does the first build for you. Okay, and now let us finally get started to begin connecting our Shopify and using this service to generate our new website. So just choose your Shopify store. As you can see, we have what product do you wish to launch. In our case, it's Shopify. So install Dropmagic on Shopify. So this is pretty much going to be an application on Shopify to start using Dropmagic along with it. So press on this button, then you choose install. Of course, you will have to log in into your account. Let me log into mine. I suppose my trial is still working, I hope. All right, you press on install, log in into your account. I have just done it. And now, as you can see, Dropmagic, this app needs access to. You can view which kind of permissions it's going to have, and then just press on install. Of course, don't forget to log in into your account on Shopify. Then press on install. Okay, Dropmagic. And then let's use our Google, for example, to sign in and sign up, of course, because I'm doing this for the first time. Continue. All right, great. So now we can add some products on Shopify store. So let me just go ahead into Shopify and add some. All right, so I just call it shirt, set a price, and save. All right, product added. Okay, now you use this product. Okay. Now it's going to analyze the picture, the pretty much description, the title of your item, analysis complete. Click on continue. Now, ideal customer. So choose the language of the store. In my case, it's English. In my case, what's your ideal customer? Just casual wearer. And how do you want to position your products? Let me see. Everyday comfort is going to be okay. And then, guys, as you can see, now you can select the AI images you want to use in your store. These are fine. I will just click on generate my store. And this is where everything begins. So in general, if you're using a prompt, the strong Dropmagic prompt includes the store niche, target customer, product type, and brand tone, and also a website style. The clearer you are here, the better the AI-generated store will look. Okay, as you can see, congratulations, you've generated your first store with Dropmagic. So as you can see, this is going to be my very simple yet convincing store. That's pretty nice. So as you can see, what do we have here? We have the homepage where I have my shirts, or you can add to the cart. You can change the title. Yeah, you can pretty much change everything in here. Change the price. Yeah, just do everything. AI will do everything for you if you need to adjust something. So if you click, we will have, as you can see, magic brush, rewrite, edit section, and also move down and delete as well. So if you wish to rewrite, as you can see, you just enter a prompt, and then you simply just tell what you need done with a specific item, page, section, whatsoever. So as you can see, pretty much how this is working. You just choose anything, literally anything. Let's choose this generated AI image. You choose it, and then you go to this rewrite again, And then you just type, for example, this shirt doesn't fit. Maybe you need to change the color, shape, add a different shirt, maybe a sweater or something. So you can just adjust in any way you like. So as you can see, the prompts, I suppose, don't really work in here this way. So if you wish to create, for example, in our case, a Shopify store, you will need to actually add some products first to your pretty much store inside of Shopify itself. So I'll show you again. You go to Shopify, you log in, then you will have your interface. And in here, you go to products right over here, then add your products. And then based on what you have added in products in your account in your store, you choose the store and it also generates it for you even without the prompt, which is cool. And as you saw, we've had different templates that we could use before generating, and this is how you can customize before creating it. So AI, what's it going to do for us? What's it going to create? So it creates a homepage layout. As you can see, it's here. Products pages. Also, we have the products pages. Writes product descriptions. There you go. Discover your new everyday essential, blah, blah. Builds collections. We have collections also in here, as you can see. Then applies basic branding. All this happens automatically. And just like I said, once the generation is done, you can review and then change things. For example, you just review the homepage sections, product descriptions, images, and navigation menu. Think of it as a first draft, not a final store. And then, if you wish to change literally anything, click on anywhere, bring up the controls for regeneration, right over here, rewrite. You write in your prompt, and as you can see, you can change anything, literally anything. And then, guys, the important part is going to be previewing both desktop and mobile version of your site. As you can see, this is the desktop. And if you click here, there's going to be our mobile version. So make sure that everything is placed properly, nothing is misaligned, so that everything fits in every single page of your website, both on the desktop PCs or laptops and also on the phone. So I'm scrolling down and I see everything is done pretty accurately, everything done pretty good. Nothing is missed, all of the same elements that I have on the desktop, I also have on mobile. So pretty neat. Well done actually. And if you wish to actually preview, as you can see, we have this preview button. Click on it and now you're fully previewing the website where everything works. Right, so we have the cart. Of course, it will have to be set up more. We have all the buttons. Everything works. Yeah, you can just go ahead and switch the view as well to mobile and just make sure that everything clicks, everything works, and yeah, the site is fully functional. Then you can exit out of the preview and you can either press on the settings and edit something, or you can just go ahead and publish. As you can see, we are offered a free domain based on the My Shopify domain, never published, and all pages. You click on publish, and as you can see, to publish you need the Dropmagic Pro, which is almost 80, euros a month. And this will allow you to fully launch your website and then, of course, start selling your products. And this is pretty much how you use the Dropmagic AI to build Shopify website easily in just a few minutes. And also, more importantly, how to write the prompt as well that actually builds it correctly. So once you understand everything, as you can see, you can have your store up and running in no time. And if this tutorial helped, guys, leave a like and of course subscribe for more e-commerce tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.